This is Jada with Kickside, and for today, I wanted to go through the student profile in regards to finances so you can see the different types of tools and functionalities that you have from the student profile if you prefer to work from the profile versus through the finance tool as a whole. So if we go to our search bar in the top right hand corner, and I go to Jada, and we're going to go to that student's profile here. So your finances tab will be the first tab that will populate in the student profile. And you'll notice, if you're familiar with going through finances, that you can see all of the same different tabs for that particular student that you do in finances. In the right hand corner of that section, you have the add new option. From the add new now, I can generate a new invoice for this specific student. I can generate a new recurring billing for that particular student. Maybe they want to add in a new payment method, so I can add that here. And then lastly, you can send them a payment method invite. Now this payment method invite can be sent multiple times. So if they don't have access to their user accounts, if you choose to not give them access to that, and you don't want to manually have to put in those new payment methods every single time, I would recommend using that payment method invite. I hope this was helpful.